Hello everybody and welcome to a Pokemon, sorry, so used to saying Pixelmon opening of some cards. And then I feel like it's Next Destined and Boundaries Crossed. So I think Next Destined is the first one to go. So I feel like Boundaries Cross will give us a lot of good cards. So let's see.
Oh no! It's back.
And I probably need some scissors for this. I'm gonna try to do it. It's totally impossible. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this baby up. Here's the code for you guys. There's the code for you and me to keep. So first of all, we get a Pokemon Center. So next off, Scraggy. Next, Emolga.
Yeah.
Then we get Elegant, Litwick, Darumaka.
Oh no!
That is a Riolu.
Help you.
What is this? A Staryu? Ooh, a Special Energy, and I think that's a Holo. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not really good at this. And man, regular rare Weevil, I think. Yes. So not very good on the first pack. But that's okay. We're gonna do it on the second pack. I feel like this is gonna bring a lot of luck to us. I had a hard time opening this, so I feel like it's gonna bring some luck. And I just see Oshawott, like with his big fat mouth straight out of the pack. Here's the code.
Oh no!
Pause the video if you need to. First of all, we get I think that's something shiny. Heracross. Clink. Did I say that correctly? What's this? Lopa Bunny. Oshawott again. Mindfu. Tangela. Oh, I saw something shiny. I'm getting like my heart's beating. Krogunk. Tepig. Shiny Boba Fett.
That's too low. Don't. Kuya, don't shout.
A Celebi EX.
Don't shout.
Calm down.
Careful, Septi, may
A Celebi EX.
Kuya.
EX.
No, come on.
You want this. You want this. A Celebi EX. You want this card. I know you want it. I know you want this card. Celebi EX. That's how you do it. That's going to be the end of this episode. We'll see you again next time.